Stumptown's Guide to Brewing with the Chemex. Fill your kettle with filtered water and heat to just off the boil. Place a Chemex filter in the brewer with a single sheet away from the spout and multiple sheets lined up against the spout. Rinse the filter with hot water. This preheats the brewer and gets rid of any papery flavor from the filter. Pour out the rinse water. Measure out 42 grams, or about 6 tablespoons, of your favorite Stumptown coffee and grind it medium coarse like kosher salt. Add the coffee to the filter, shaking it gently to level the grounds. Zero the scale. Start a count-up timer when you add the hot water. Pour 150 grams of water, or until all the grounds are saturated, and allow it to bloom. Stir to make sure there are no dry grounds. At 45 seconds, start the second pour, making sure to reintegrate the coffee and water. Pour with a gentle spiral up to 450 grams of water, or until the volume reaches close to the top of the rim. Pour over the dark spots and avoid the light ones. At 1 minute 45 seconds, pour water to 700 grams, or until the slurry is roughly flush to the top of the Chemex. At 4 minutes, you should be pretty close to your target volume. Look for the glass bubble on the side of the brewer, which indicates 20 ounces. Carefully lift up the filter. It's okay to hover for a couple of seconds to allow the filter to continue to drip and make sure you have enough volume. Then pull the filter out completely and let it drain into the sink. Swirl the Chemex around a little and serve.